Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create and manage earnings on Unity Enterprise. Earnings represent various forms of compensation paid to employees, such as commissions or reimbursements. Let's walk through how to set these up step by step. From the Springboard menu, start by selecting Employees, then go to Earnings and Deductions. To add a new earning, click on the plus icon above the saved earnings. Now fill in the earning details. To set pay reasons, go to Organizations, Tags, Cash Management Tags. Make sure to set the correct tag type. Payout if the employee receives money. Pay in if the employee pays in money. And choose if it should form part of the cash up process. In our next step, we will be adding actions and conditions by clicking back on Employees, then go to Earnings and Deductions and clicking on the plus icon to add an action. You will see options for calculation, how to calculate the earning, calculation type, value or percentage, calculation value, the amount or percentage. You need to define conditions for the action. This tells the system when the earning applies. You can fine-tune earnings by setting conditions like designations to target specific roles. Minimum turnover, only apply after a sales threshold. Availability, limit by time or shift. Ordering method, example, sit down or take away. Products, used if you want the earning to be applicable to only some products. Product exclusions, used if you want to exclude some products. Departments, used if you want the earning to be applicable to only some departments. Payment methods, used if you want the earning to be applicable to only some payment methods. Nodes, to restrict by branch. Once done, tick Submit and hit Submit again, and then Save.